Hi there, my name is Avi and welcome to my brand new Python and MatPlotLib course. Why MatPlotLib? One word, data science. Data science is taking the world by storm, and everyone wants to learn how to create graphs, charts, understand and visualize data. As the old adage goes, a picture is worth more than 1,000 words. And in this scenario, companies all across the world are hiring data scientists to create charts, create graphs, and understand their data. I'm here to help jumpstart your programming career and become a data scientist with this course. This course is going to cover everything there is to Python and MatPlotLib. I'm going to first teach you how to customize your own graphs, adding labels and titles, legends, lines, color, customization, everything to create a full-blown graph and chart. After that, I'm going to help teach you the variety of 2D and 3D charts using bar graphs, histograms, scatterplots, pie charts, and so many more things. By the end of this course, you will be a fully certified Python and MatPlotLib developer ready to join the data science world and create your very own charts and graphs. So what are you waiting for? My name is Avi, and I've taught Python for more than 4 years. I've helped more than 150,000 students pursue their programming dreams and create their very own scripts, functions, and join the workforce as a developer. Whether you're someone looking to learn Python and MatPlotLib just for fun, or you're a developer looking to join the ranks of data scientists, no matter what the case, this course is for you. What are you waiting for? Join this course today and jumpstart your data science career with Python and MatPlotLib.